I'm going to do a little demonstration on this for just a second. This is no big deal, but this is a lot of fun. This is also called Buddha paper. You can find it, or Buddha board, or you can find it under the name Art Advantage brush stroke paper. And I personally don't think you really need this, but what's nice about it, and I thought I might as well tell you, is that you can use this type of paper, get any brush wet, go ahead, go on it, practice your strokes, and it'll dry and you won't see it again. And then you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it. So that way you can get a little looser, like here is like, see how we get really wide and thin? It's just fun to practice. Now I don't necessarily use this, but I think if you're interested, I want you to at least know about that. And that is, like I said, Buddha board or Art Advantage brushstroke paper, and I will send you a link. I'll find it and send a link to you.